everyone, I'm Gina from tinyhome.tours, and today we are in Austin, Texas at Texan Tiny Homes. So right now we're inside one of their model units, and all of their homes are actually built to order, so they're all customizable, but I want to show you guys what one of the models would look like. So right when you walk in the front door, you have the living space, a little couch lounge area. Then you have another little lounging area right here, a big TV right above it. So moving into the kitchen area, you have a whole complete desk space with 2 stools. This could also be used as the kitchen table because there isn't another table in here, so it can kind of go either way. Next to the desk slash table, you have your countertop space. Below that, you have your space for a microwave that can also be customized to be a convection oven microwave, which would be perfect for full-time living. More storage on the bottom, a whole bunch of drawers, all throughout the kitchen area. You have a really big, nice sink, and even if you did make this into a burner top, then you have a good amount of counter space on the other side of the sink. On the far side of the kitchen, we've got our fridge. It's definitely a decent size. You can put a good amount of food in there. And then the freezer on the bottom. More shelving that could definitely be used to hold wine bottles like you see here. Then across from that, we've got the rest of our storage. This could be used as the closet, for the food cabinet. You can kind of do whatever you want with the space here. You could probably even put in a washer dryer if you wanted to use the space for that. So at the end of the house, we have our small bathroom space. Pretty much any standard bathroom. You've got your toilet, even some shelving above the toilet, a little baby sink, storage under the sink. You could have this be a medicine cabinet. There's a window in here. It's pretty much the same as you'd find any other bathroom in a house, only a little bit smaller. To finish up the bathroom space, we've got the shower, and as you can see, it's a little bit bigger than most showers that you'd find in a tiny home. So walking up into the loft, we've got some big cupboards right next to the food pantry slash closet that you can fit all of your essentials in. Last but not least, we have the loft. I really like this space. It's actually my favorite part of the tiny home. It's super cozy up here. It doesn't feel too small. You have these nice big window panels, so it lets a lot of natural light in. So I could definitely see myself being comfortable and living full-time in a space like this. And because they do made-to-order models, you can customize the tiny home however you want it. Thanks for visiting Texan Tiny Homes with us, guys. And if you want to see more, check us out on tinyhome.tours.